Standard English 1.1 Be the Best Part 2 English Workshop All Questions 1.1 Be the Best English Workshop First question Read the words names given below. Put the big sized bigger ones in the big circle and the smaller ones in the small circle. Musky, tree, pine, lake, vase, bush, highway, scrub, rill, sun, star, trail. Answer Small things lake, vase, bush, scrub, rill, star, trail. Big things musky, tree, pine, highway, sun. Second question Form groups of 4. Read each stanza in the poem turn by turn. Third question Find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Answer A. B. Tree. B. Make lake. C. Here, near. D. Star, R. Fourth question Complete the following with appropriate words, phrases from the poem. First one is done for you. A. If you can't be a pine, be a scrub. B. If you can't be a tree, be a bush. C. If you are not be a musky, be a bass. D. If you can't be a captain, we have got to be a crew. E. If you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. F. If you can't be the sun, be a star. Fifth question Write whether the following are true or false. First, all must be the captains of the teams. Answer False. Second, a bit of grass can make the highway happier. Answer True. Third, we win or fail depending upon size or position. Answer False. Fourth, a scrub is found at the top of the hill. Answer False. Fifth, if your work is not important, don't do it. Answer False. Sixth, whatever job you have, do your best. Answer True. Sixth question, write an appreciation of the poem with the help of the points are given below. Answer First, the title of the poem is Be the Best. Second, the poem is written by Douglas Malloch. Third, the poem has 4 stanzas. Each stanza has 4 lines. Fourth, the lines that rhyme in each stanza are first and third, and second and fourth. Fifth, the poet compares big things with small things. Sixth, be the is a repeated expression in the poem.